trying to see you, but you fall apart. Even though you told me to get back your heart, I still spin inside your orbit. Yeah, you say that I should probably start to walk away. I'm hoping that you.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel once again. So, as you guys know, and you guys seen the title of the video as well. Yes, Charan is buying another bike. Actually, I don't know whose channel is this. Is this mine or Charan? We are having this bike's video also and the new video also, which you are seeing right now. If you haven't seen this video, it will pop up somewhere in the screen. Just make sure you watch that as well. I mean, you are biking on this 60 or 60, yeah. Anyway, it's a old bike. If you want to encourage us, you can go and see from that video to this video. So this is actually Charan's growth in the span of this years. What man? So as you've seen the video, we are yesterday actually we went to Whitefield tram showroom and we test rode Scrambler 400X, right? Yeah. And oh man, that was a gem kind of a bike, right? I mean, that's an entry level bike in that's segment, I think, in tram, right? Yeah. They have a 350, no? No, right? No. This is the thing. I mean, this is the first bike. Okay. So yeah, actually we rode two bikes also. What was the another one? Speed 400, and this also. But for his character, I think that suits Scrambler suits more than the Speed one. So that's why we are gonna go to JP Nagar showroom. Why? Because yesterday in the court over here in Whitefield. They showed us somewhere around 5 to 6k difference. So that's why one of our friends told that they are selling lesser price than what we saw the quote yesterday. So that's why we are gonna go to that showroom. If possible, we'll be booking the bike today only. Yeah. He's too much excited about that bike. Absolutely. So he start riding after that. No, he'll not. He'll keep the bike in his room and he'll do puja. See you directly in the camera. Yesterday I test rode it and me and Charan test rode it. I couldn't capture that video. If possible, today I'll do it. That's it. We are actually too soon to the showroom because of this guy. He can't wait to take that bike delivery or pay that amount what he have to pay. But man, first bike to hota hai. Did you sleep yesterday night?
I got up early.
You got up early. That adrenaline or excitement will be there for some time. So that's why those people told it will hardly take another 15 to 30 minutes of time. So that's why we are chilling over here in some cafe. This guy bought something and I bought something. Even I am excited than him. I don't know why. So actually, in the premium segment bike, I think this is the first bike in our gang.
Premium.
This is also premium, man. Triumph is a premium brand.
Premium, but
yeah. Bike though it's okay. You have to start from this bike only. All the riders have started from 400 or 600 only. Don't worry on that. Soon you will put your hands on Street Triple as you wish. Hope so. Yeah. You Street Triple and me.
BMW.
No. I'll buy that Tiger. You saw yesterday, how it was. I feel so chitko on that bike.
Very good.
That's so humongous. I think for Charan that's good, but for Charan only, that's really
So big.
big body and the tank is too huge. And the accessories that guy put on that bike. Let's see. Let's hope one day we'll
Hopefully get that out.
we'll put that also vlog. We'll add all the vlogs. Okay, this vlog, that vlog, everything, and we'll We'll make a collab of that and we'll
Connect the back.
backstory of that and we'll do that. So let's see directly in the showroom.
8 hours later.
We are taking the Speed 400 test, right? We both will be going. I'll be sitting as a pillion. After that, we'll exchange over that. Okay. How that? It feels so chutku for you. This thing, it feels like NS or something. No, you'll play with this bike, but you can't play with that bike. The handle is too broad over there, I think. Rev it. Let's see. It's decent. Not that too loud.
That was good.
Pillion feels, a bit safe over here. Let's see. You can go straight, I think. Oh, it's having. In this traffic, what can you test ride, man? We want empty roads. Go slow. How do you feel this bike?
Very small.
Very small, right? It's like NS or something. We can't compare it to that, but yeah, I love all the bikes. This doesn't have traction, right?
I think
This has only ABS. This doesn't have traction, and in that you have ABS as well as traction, on and off. Yeah. How is the turning radius, bro?
better than Scrambler. I think.
Better than Scrambler, huh? This is made for city now. That's why. How was the bike?
It is good, but it is small compared to. Yesterday we just drove Scrambler.
We can't compare it with the Scrambler, bro. That's for touring purpose only, and this is for city purpose. If you see over here, for Scrambler and for this thing, the ground clearance has lot more
Difference.
yeah. Come, let's move. I think we need to take the stand first. Then only we can. This is the display over here. It pretty much has everything. Nice. Ooh. I don't know whether these mirrors are useful or what. Bar end one, right? Scrambler वाला तो इधर आएगा ना, so that's why. Whatever premium bike you buy, you will have that Chutkusa Activa horn on. So let's whip open the bike and see one. I mean, the power is there. I can see that power. I mean, I can feel that power. You can have fun in this bike, dude. Look at that. I mean, regarding the specs of the bike and all, I'll put it somewhere here in the screen. You can go through that. I'm just giving my review. And if you're planning to buy this or that, you please do test ride once and then take your decision. This only my review on the bike which I'm riding on. Test ride the other one and check out. Where is that bike? You need to check out that bike first. How was your review on this?
This is like a toy.
There's a key. It feels so premium. No, plastic nahi hai. Feels so premium.
Tiger would feel more clean.
हाँ वो टाइगर है ना. We paid no. That's why. Let's just try the other one and check. And here comes the Scrambler 400X. Look at him. Both sides flat foot, right? You have both sides flat foot, right? Rev a bit. They have screwed, the test ride bike, bro. Look at the condition of the bike. It's okay. Can't help it.
You can drive it. Oh, if it is off, you cannot go for one.
You can't go for one? Oh. Just try now? Just. No, right? Nice.
Only when I turn on.
Oh. Nice. Tramp engineering. Turn around. This looks rugged actually. This silencer one. Exhaust one looks rugged in this. Yeah. Let's Sharon test ride it. And moreover, this is comfortable than that for me as a pillion. Why? Because see, I'll be sitting this up and my thighs will be over here. He can rest his hand over here. Keep your hand here. Leave that. Keep your hand over here. Yeah, it will be like this. See? And if you are sitting back, no, I can sleep only. Chalo. I mean, we have to take a long spin and then oh, cool. Oh. The turning radius is bit low on this, or else very wide, because nuggify like that. These things and all are additional, I think.
Comes with the bike.
No, it doesn't come with the bike. I saw in that showroom, na, they sell 2,000 or 3,000, bro. Grippers, thigh grippers. Come, let's see. This has more clusters, I think. We have to ask regarding this, bro. Everything over there.
Onboard diagnostics.
Coolant.
Traction control. ABS. Lamp. Hazard.
Neutral. Hazard lights. Indicators and fuel indicator. And what's this? Traction, right? Off. Okay. Okay. ಇಲ್ಲ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಇಂಜಿನಿಯರು, ನಾವೇನಕ್ಕೆ ಬೇರೆಯವ್ರನ್ನ ಕೇಳಬೇಕು. ಹೋಗೋಣ. Look at that fan which starts. This much more wider than that. There is this thing. Actually, we can't we can't feel this hump only. It's like that. I know it's made for that only, but yeah, I'm just telling it. It's nice. Now I need to rip open the bike, bro. We'll come from that side. You don't want to test drive this bike, huh? Why? You fell in love with this only. Triumph. Actually, there are a lot of complaints, right, on Himalayan, this version. Yeah. The same old horn. And it doesn't feel. It's buttery smooth. I know that. I'm boosting a lot on this, but yeah, I'm just telling what I felt. Yeah, as you said, I can flat foot on both the sides. I don't know why. There's a bit lower on, huh? Because of the pillion weight. Yesterday also we were sitting, na? Let's see. Yeah. What's the weight of this bike? You know? 180, huh? Nice. Oh, I can feel the heat, bro. If we are, standing idly. Yeah, the brakes are sharp. This is a nice bike. Same key. Yeah, heat is there. That's what I told you. Now, once we stand in the traffic only, in the traffic signal only, I can feel that heat. My legs will become tandoori. For 400 only, I'm telling this. People who are riding 1000 and all, they'll comment down below. Nandengide gotta anta. I'm just giving my experience. That's it. Nothing much. So let's go inside and do the needful things. Congratulations on your first bike officially.